Please, if your hands are not too busy, please put your hands together for Ogogo Omokunodo. Please, a round of applause for Ogogo himself. Brother Shino is here as well. Olu Ogogo is here. Please celebrate them. My friend, 220, Ayla Ogo, I celebrate you, bro. God bless you. Can we get settled? Can we get settled? Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, the man I call Mini Consular is also here with his beautiful wife. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, please celebrate Climax Travels. He's here. Climax Travels is here. My European tour that was very recent, he's the one that packaged everything. Please celebrate him. My brother, my friend is also here. The CEO of Skylight. My brother is here. Please celebrate this good man. Mr. Bright, God bless you. I celebrate you. He's in the company of his friend. We will do proper introduction in no time. Please let's. As the program unfolds, a lot of more celebrities are so a lot of our friends and colleagues are walking into the hall. Media are going for the ritual party of and this is special announcement to the media. When we start viewing the movie, please do not record. Number one. Secondly, when people start spraying money, please do not record. And in the party, don't when we are dancing and spraying, we do not want you to record that part, please. And then when we start spraying the movie, please do not record. For every reason in this world, we wouldn't want to see any camera up. Because, ladies and gentlemen, my brother, my friend, the only cripple with the cause wahala everywhere is here. The king of creativity himself. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I have Jigan in the building. Please, round of applause for him. I have Ijebu Ijebu Lounge. Not your regular MC, global MC. My guy Nigeria. God bless you. I have Sunday is in the building too. Sunday Lami is in the building too. Joshua Fatade, I cite you. God bless you. Please, as we're coming in, let's get seated so we can see people coming in. Ladies and gentlemen, I have Kule Omishore Owokembere Bija. He's also in the building. Please celebrate that man, Kule Omishore. Lekid is also here, a brother and a friend, a colleague. I cite you, Mimi T.